Greetings, future 21st century lawyers. I'm here to talk to you about the A2J Lab.
Hi everyone, this is 3L Kristen Anderson. Hope everyone is hanging in there. So I just wanted to kind of make a quick plug and encourage you to take the Access to Justice Lab with Professor Barton.
If you are interested in learning the key 21st century legal skill of taking a legal problem and then breaking it apart into its constituent steps, putting it in order, and then stating it in plain, simple terms that regular people can understand, and then putting it online to help solve the access to justice crisis, then the A2J Lab is the class for you, my friends.
So the course is kind of working through projects that automate systems that provide outlets for our community to access the courts in a way that wasn't, well, our NICS is also encouraging you to take the course. The course is pretty much providing outlets for our communities to access the courts in a way that just wasn't kind of possible in previous landscapes. In the off time, when you're not working on those projects, you kind of take part in, thought-provoking conversations about the changing landscape of the field that we're in. And we discussed issues that were posed in kind of every aspect of the legal field, not just advocacy. I kind of want to emphasize that the lab wasn't just for those who are interested in advocacy, but also transactional too. I just wanted to say, as evidenced by everything going on right now, our field is changing, and so that's all the more reason to work on a program that reflect those changes and help folks in our community. I think it was a super rewarding class. I want you to encourage you to take it.
No programming experience necessary. The platform we use is super intuitive and very simple, and a platform that you can use when you graduate. If you're willing to work in teams and you want to learn how to do this process, A2J Lab is for you. See you next semester.